Okay, in the previous video, I already explained all the things here. Only these steps are not explained in previous video here. Therefore, when k is equal to 1 here, delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0. If both are zeros here, then system has infinitely many solutions here. Okay, using this data. Suppose when k is equal to 3. Okay, substitute k is equal to 3 here in these two determinants here. We get delta 1 is not equal to 0, delta 2 not equal to 0. So according to this result here, if at least one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, only two determinants are there. Here, hence here delta 1 not 0, delta 2 is not equal to 0. Then obviously the system has no solution here. The system has no solution according to this result here. Therefore, question is what here? The number of values of k for which the system has no solution. Therefore, only one value k is equal to 3. Therefore, B is the correct option here. Only one value k is equal to 3. System has no solution. B answer here. Okay. So the number of values of k for which the linear equations here, three equations are there, possess a non-zero solution here. So possess a non-zero solution means either it is a unique solution or infinitely many solutions here. But just observe here, RHS terms are 0 here. RHS terms are 0 means obviously delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 0. Even in this case, the solution system has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, delta must be equal to what? 0. Okay? Whereas RHS terms are 0. If RHS terms are 0, then delta 1 is 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 0. Hence, it has an infinitely many solutions. And if it has infinitely many solutions, then delta must be what? 0. Hence, delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0 implies a determinant of so right here 4 then k next 2 then k then 4 and 1 here, then here is 2 and 1, that is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Then expand it here. This implies so 4 into 4 ones of 4 minus of 2 ones of 2 here, minus of k into bracket k into 1 becomes k minus of 2 ones of 2, then plus 2 into bracket k into 2 becomes 2k minus of 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to, this implies 4 minus 2 becomes 2. 2 4s are 8 here. Minus k into k becomes minus of k square here. Minus k into minus 2 plus 2k. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 4k. 2 8s are 16 here. Minus of 16 is equal to 0. So this implies here minus of k square. Okay. Then 2k plus 4k becomes 6k. It is a 6k. 8 minus 16 minus of 8 here. That is equal to 0. Therefore, multiplying both the sides by minus 1 here. Multiplying both the sides by minus 1, we get k square minus of 6k plus 8 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation here. So, two numbers are 4 and 2 here. Therefore, k square minus of 4k minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0 here. From these two terms, k common factor here. Therefore, so k common factor here. Then k minus 4. So right here k minus 4. Then the minus 2 common factor here. Okay, minus 2 is the common factor here. Then the k minus 4, that is equal to 0. Hence k minus 4 into k minus 2 is equal to 0 here. K is equal to 4 and k is equal to 2. Therefore, there are two values of k. Okay, here the number of values of k. Number of values of k. So obviously, first option is two values of k. Okay. If the trivial solution is the only solution of the system of equations here, then set of all values of k is set of all values of k. First option is the set 2 minus 3. Second option r minus the set 2 minus 3. Third option r minus set 2. And the fourth option r minus set minus 3. Okay. So the system has a trivial solution here. If the system has a trivial solution, then obviously delta is not equal to 0. Therefore, delta is not equal to 0. Delta is not equal to 0 implies a determinant of. Okay. So right here k, then minus of x and a plus 1 here. Then right here k plus 3 minus of k. Then right here 3 1 minus of 1, that is not equal to 0. Okay, delta not equal to 0. Now you simplify here. So this implies here. So k into 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3 minus of 1 into minus k is a minus k, minus minus plus k. Minus of minus becomes a plus okay, here equation is like this here. X minus t, x minus of k. Hence here is 1, here is 1 and here is a minus of k. K minus k. Okay, now we expand it. So 1 into bracket 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3 minus of 1 into minus k is a minus k, minus minus plus k, minus into minus plus k into minus 1 is a minus k minus of 3 into minus k is a minus 3k, minus minus plus 3k, plus 1 into k into 1 becomes a k, minus of 3 3 is a 9 is not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Therefore this implies so 1 into minus 3 plus k is a minus 3 plus k. K into here 3k minus k is 2k. 2k into k becomes 2k square. So 2k square. Then k minus 9 into 1 is k minus 9 is not equal to 0. Therefore this implies here, so 2k square, k plus k becomes 2k, minus 3 minus 9 minus of 12 is not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Therefore this implies dividing both the sides by 2, dividing both sides by 2, we get a k square plus k minus 6 not equal to 0. Again it is a quadratic equation here. So plus 3 minus 2 here. Hence k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 6 not equal to 0. K is a common factor here. So k common factor. Then k plus 3 minus 2 is the common factor here. K plus 3 not equal to 0. Therefore k plus 3 common here into k minus 2 is not equal to 0. Hence k is equal to k is not equal to k not equal to minus of 3 and k not is equal to plus 2. K not equal to minus 3, k not equal to 2. Therefore the required answer is this one here. R minus 2 minus 3 except the element okay, then the solution is trivial here. Therefore R minus of set 2 minus 3 because k is not equal to minus 3 and k is not equal to 2 means you exclude the elements from a set of real numbers here. Okay, you remove these two numbers from the set of real number, then those are all value here. Okay, values of k satisfying the system of equations has so that it has a trivial solution here. Okay, it has a trivial solution. Then R minus the set 2 minus 3. So consider the system of linear equations. Three equations are there. Okay, the system has infinite number of solutions, exactly 3 solutions, unique solution and no solution. Yes. Just check data is equal to 0 or not here. First check it here. So determinant of 1, 2, 1 here. 1, 2, 1. 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, 1 here. 3, 5, 2. So write here 3, 5, 2 here. Okay. Then you just subtract here. Okay. So R2, R3 gives R3 minus of R2 here. Therefore this is equal to 1, 2, 1 here. Then 2, 3, 1. 3 minus 2 gives 1 here. 5 minus 3 gives 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1 here. Then obviously this is equal to 0 here. Because here 2 rows are identical. If 2 rows are identical, then value of the determinant is 0 here. Hence either this is possible or this is possible here. Only in these two cases delta is 0. If all the delta, one delta, two delta is 0, then it has infinitely many sections. And at least any one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 non-zero, then it has no solution here. Okay. Therefore take delta 1 here. So delta 1 is equal to determinant of, replace this first column by, so 3 and 1 here. So right here 3 and 1. Second and third column keep as it is, 2, 3, 5 here, 1 and 2. Okay. Now you simplify. Okay. Therefore this is equal to 3 into 3 2s are 6 minus of 5 1s are 5 minus of 2. Then 3 2s are 6 minus of 1. Then plus 1 into bracket 3 5s are 15 minus of 1 into 3 becomes 3. So therefore 6 minus 5 is 1 into 3 becomes 3. 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, minus of 10 here. 15 minus 3 becomes 12, 12 1s are 12 here, plus 12. Then 12 plus 3 15 minus 10 gives us 5. Then obviously this is not equal to 0. Therefore, delta is a 0. Delta is a 0, and at least one of the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 non-zero. So it is not 0. Therefore, system has no solution here. Therefore, system has no solution. Therefore, fourth option is correct. Okay, the system of equation has no solution if A is. Okay, so now the system has no solution, then obviously delta is 0. Yes, delta is equal to 0 implies determinant of so right here 1, A 1 and 1 here, then 1 A1, so 1 A1 1 1 A 1 1 A, that is equal to 0. Then so add the columns here. C1 gives here C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore, this implies the determinant of sum of these three columns here. So A plus 2. Similarly, A plus 2 here. A plus 2. Then 1 A and 1 here. 1 1 A. That is equal to 0. Here A plus 1 is the common factor here. So right outside here. A plus 2 common factor here. So determinant of 1 and 1 here. 1 A 1 1 A. That is equal to 0. Okay. Let subtract here. R2 gives here R2 minus R1, and R3 gives here R3 minus of R1 here. Okay. So therefore this implies A plus 2 here into determinant of 1 and 1 here. Then 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Then A minus 1 here, and 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and A minus 1. A minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, one side of the diagonal elements are all zeros here. All these are terms zeros. Direct multiply the diagonal elements here. Okay, therefore this implies here A plus 2 into A minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore this implies here A is equal to minus 2 and A is equal to 1 here. A is equal to minus 2 and A equal to 1. Suppose A is equal to 1 here. Suppose A value 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. All the right hand side term becomes 0. If all right hand side terms 0, then delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 0. Then it has a infinitely many solutions here. Okay. If A is equal to 1 here, if A is equal to 1, then all equations are same here, and equal to 0, and right side term becomes a 0. Okay, and right hand side term becomes a 0. Okay, because A minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 0. In that case, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 0. So therefore infinitely many solutions in this case here. Okay, therefore it has a infinitely many solution. Okay, when A is equal to 1, then it has infinitely many solution. Suppose A is equal to minus 2s. Okay, so if A is equal to minus 2, if A is equal to minus 2, then okay, all the equations are different here, and then all the equations are different. Okay, all equations are different. Therefore, system has no solution. System has no solution. Therefore, when A is minus 2, the system has no solution here. Therefore, what they give here, the system of equation has no solution if A is minus 2 here. Fourth option is correct here. Okay. The system of linear equations has a non-zero solution, then ABC or in AP or in GP or in HP. Fourth option is not satisfied. A plus 2B plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, here right hand side terms are 0 here. If right side terms are 0, then delta 1 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 is equal to 0. Then obviously delta equal to 0 because it has a infinitely many solution. They are already given here. The system has a solution here. Okay, system has a solution. Okay, therefore only two cases are there. So system has unique solution here and system has infinitely many solution. If a system has unique solution, delta is not equal to 0. If a system has infinitely many solution, delta is equal to 0. In this case, all the delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 0. Therefore, here delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0 implies, okay, determinant of so right here 1, then 2a, then a, then right here 1, 3b and b. Next 1, so 4c and c, that is equal to 0. Make it two terms as zeros here. Hence R2 gives here R2 minus of R1 here. Okay, R2 minus R1. Then R3 gives here R3 minus of R2. Therefore, this implies here determinant of so right here 1, 2a and a. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. 3b minus 2a. 3b minus of 2a. b minus a. So right here b minus a. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then 4c minus 3c here. 4c minus 3c. Then c minus b. C minus b is equal to 0. Okay. Now we expand it here. So this implies here 1 into bracket. This into this here. 3b minus 2a. 3b minus 2a into c minus b here. Minus of this into this 4c 4c minus of 3b. That is the 3b. Okay. So 4c minus of 3b into b minus a. B minus a. Okay. Then here 2a into. So this is 0. This to become 0. Then a into the term becomes 0. Therefore directly here take equal to 0. Because these two terms are 0 here. So the next two term becomes 0 in this case here. Okay, bracket complete here. Okay. Then multiply the terms here. So this implies 3b into c becomes 3bc. 3b into b, 3b square here, minus of 3b square. 2a into c, minus of 2ac. Minus into minus becomes a plus. 2a into b becomes 2ab here. So write all the terms in the bracket here. Minus of. Then 4c into b becomes 4bc. 4c into minus a, minus of 4ac, minus 3b into b, minus of 3b square here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. 3b into a becomes a 3ab. 3ab is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, remove the brackets here. 3bc here. So write 3bc minus of 3b square minus of 2ac. Then plus 2ab. Take a minus inside the bracket here. Minus of 4bc. Then plus 4ac. Then plus 3b square minus of 3ab. That is equal to 0. Minus 3b square and plus 3b square get cancels here. Okay. Then 3bc is there, minus 4bc. It gives minus of bc here. Minus bc. Minus 2ac plus 4ac. So plus 2ac here. Plus 2ac. Then 2ab minus 3ab. Minus of ab is equal to 0. Then take these two terms right hand side here. So this implies here 2ac is equal to bc. Minus bc becomes plus bc here. Minus ab becomes plus ab. Then dividing both sides by abc here. Dividing both sides by a into b into c here. If you divide here, what happens here? Divide this one by ABC. Here AC and AC cancels, so it gives 2 upon B here is equal to BC upon this one here, it gives 1 upon A plus, and AB cancels, remaining is what here? 1 by C. Therefore, if this condition satisfied, then they are in a harmonic progression here. So therefore, third option is correct here. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, then they are in HP. Therefore, third option is correct here. Okay.